We are proud to be your trusted green paper packaging solution provider. Fujian Nanwang Environment Protection Scientech Company Limited. We are a leading Chinese high-tech enterprise delivering comprehensive green paper packaging solutions. With expertise in R&D, production, and sales, we specialize in eco-friendly paper bags and food packaging. We have now emerged as a leader in China's paper packaging industry. With annual production of over 7 billion eco-friendly paper packages, we boast nearly 60,000 square meters of automated workshops that meet global standards and over 300 sets of advanced equipment, such as automated printers and paper cup making, drinking straw making, and bag making machines. We believe that technology development and production innovation are the driving forces behind our market competitiveness. We have adopted the advanced Six Sigma management system to meticulously oversee every stage of our product journey. From R&D to trial production, mass production, testing, and inspection. Our high-quality, deplasticized paper packaging solutions have helped us earn the trust of numerous downstream clients from renowned brands. Moving forward, we are committed to our mission to create greener packaging for a better world. Our goal is to bring Nanwang's products to every corner of the globe to enrich lives and nurture a more sustainable world for all. Fujian Nanwang Environment Protection Scientech Company Limited.